Pebbles, good morning. So it's time to cut our Fruity Pebbles soap, but we do have a few little blemishes that we have to fill in, which is not a problem. Just take some wet soap and rub it on in there, flatten it out, and that's what I'm doing now. Some of the sides stuck to my mold, but that's okay. It won't be the first, and I'm pretty sure it won't be the last. Just gonna fill that in. I think that was the last piece. And I'll go back and fill in some of the bars. But this is how our loaf looks. Clean my fingers off. Isn't that neat and pretty? My mom is calling me. It's time to leave the house. But shh. I'm going to chop into this first. Well, let's get our little end piece off. And already that swirl is everything. Drop swirl. First full bar. Ta-da! This bar on one side has a lot more purple. Which my whole premise for doing the base of these soaps in white and then the colors for the drop swirls, kind of like, if you haven't picked up on it already, when you're eating cereal, the colors, or the dye rather, from the cereal flakes or whatever it is that you're eating, drip into the milk and they color your milk. Got a little bit of a glycerin river, but that's okay. I think they're pretty cool. I don't mind them at all. Some people do. I don't. And this soap did not have any glitter. There's no glitter on cereal, I don't think. And then we have the little crusties on top, and that's just to mimic. And I have to smooth this side out. I'll remember to do that. But that's just to mimic the Fruity Pebbles. And that's melt and pour soap. And this was gelled overnight. I'm still waiting for Holly from Aromatic Suds from Aromatic Suds to tell me what sorcery it is that she's using to cut her bars without a line. If you can see my cutter here, which yes, this is a cheese slicer and I'm loving it to pieces, so I probably won't ever buy a soap cutter. It does the same thing, so I don't see, and this was actually a gift, this cheese slicer, so I don't see any purpose now anyway. If I was making more batches of soaps at a time, or larger batches of soap, then maybe I would get like a multi-bar. I'm not sure. When we get there, then we'll figure it out. But these are beautiful and they smell amazing. If you put some some Fruity Pebbles, if you eat them, or you let your kids eat them, and you put them in a bowl of milk right now, this is what this smells like. Amazing. If you want to try out this fragrance, I actually purchased it from Indigo Fragrances. And their fragrances, the ones that I've purchased thus far, and I have to go back onto their site and put some reviews up, but the ones that I've purchased thus far have been spot on. And we'll be using more of their fragrances in the coming weeks, days, months, whatever, however you want to slice it. beautiful. So we have 9 bars, and then this one is our end piece. I'm going to chop this up for our samples, and then we have the first cut right there. But this is very beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. Of course, at the end you're going to see all of the bars together. Be well, stay blessed. Bye for now.